Imagine you're reviewing someone else's Python code, and suddenly you come across something that looks like this piece of code. Your first reaction is probably, wait, what is that colon equals thing? It looks strange. It almost looks like a typo. But it's actually one of Python's most interesting features, called the Walrus Operator. And today, we're going to break down exactly what it does, why it exists, and when you should or shouldn't use it. Let's start with a simple example. Suppose we have a list of data, and we want to count how many odd numbers it contains. We write a function called countOdds that filters out the odd numbers and returns the count. Pretty straightforward. Now, imagine that this function is doing something expensive. Maybe it's processing millions of records, reading files from disk, or querying a database. To simulate that, we'll add a 1-second delay using time.sleep1. Now, every time the function runs, it takes 1 second to finish.
Next, we write some code that checks whether there is more than one odd number in the dataset. If there is, we print the count. The code looks perfectly reasonable. Most developers would write something like this without a second thought. But hidden inside this code is a small performance problem. Can you spot it? Take a closer look. We're calling countOdds data inside the if condition, and then we're calling the exact same function again inside the print statement. That means Python is performing the same expensive calculation twice.
Let's prove it. If we measure the execution time, we'll notice that the program takes roughly 2 seconds to complete. Wait, 2 seconds? Why? Because the function itself takes 1 second, and we're running it twice. 1 second plus 1 second equals 2 seconds. The code works perfectly, but it's inefficient because we're repeating work that we've already done.
Now, before we talk about the Walrus operator, let's look at the traditional solution. Most programmers would simply store the result in a variable. They would write something like n equals countOdds data, and then use n in both the condition and the print statement. Problem solved. The function runs only once, the result is reused, and the total runtime drops to about 1 second. This approach is completely valid, and many developers prefer it because it's extremely clear and easy to read.
But then Python introduced something new, the Walrus Operator, written as colon equals. This operator allows assignment inside an expression. So instead of assigning the value on a separate line, we can write if n colon equals countOdds data is greater than 1. At first glance, that syntax looks unusual, but here's what's happening behind the scenes. Python executes countOdds data, gets the result, immediately stores it in the variable n, and then checks whether n is greater than 1. If the condition is true, the print statement runs and reuses the value stored in n. The function only executes once, so we get the efficiency of using a variable without needing a separate assignment statement beforehand. That's exactly why the Walrus operator was created. It lets you assign a value and use it at the same time.